Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Math School Learn to Succeed. In this channel, I'll be teaching you Karnataka Board Class 10th SLC Insert Math. In today's video, let us solve the question number 2 from exercise 1.1 from chapter number 1 Arithmetic Progression. Before we begin this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos. So let us start the second question from the exercise 1.1. The question says, write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference are given as follows. Okay, so these are the 5 parts of the question 2. So let us begin with the first part of this question 2, where A is given as 10 and D, the common difference, is given as 10. So we have to determine the AP series when A and D is given. A is the first term and D is the common difference. So let us first of all write down the general form of AP. The general form of AP, we have a formula. It is A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma A plus 3D. This I have explained in the introduction part of this chapter, Arithmetic Progression. If you have not watched this video, please click the I button above and watch this video so that you have a better understanding of the topic. So here, this is the first term A1, this is the second term A2, this is the third term and this is the fourth term. So let us find out all these 4 terms as asked in the question. The first term A is already given, that is 10. Now the second term A2 is A plus D. So A value is 10 and D value given is 10. So we get A2 as 20. Coming to our third term A3, it is A plus 2D here. So let us simplify, that is A is 10 plus 2 into D is again 10. So it is 10 plus 2 tens are 20, that is nothing but 30. Similarly, A4, the fourth term, is A plus 3D. Substituting the A value, A is 10 plus 3 into D is also 10. So it is 10 plus 3 tens are 30. So the value we obtain is 40. So these are the 4 terms which we have obtained. This is very easy if you know the formula given for the general form of AP. So just substitute the values and find out the 4 given terms. Therefore, let us write down the AP series values which we obtain. So the first term is 10, second term is 20, third term is 30 and the fourth term is 40. So this is the answer. So moving to the second part of the question 2. Now let us solve the second part, where A value given is minus 2 and D value is 0. So writing down the general form of AP again, it is A comma A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D. Since the A value is already given in the question, that it is minus 2 and D value is equal to 0. So let us substitute and find out the other 4 terms. The first term A is minus 2, then A2, the second term will be A plus D, which is minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2. The third term A3 is A plus 2D, so it is minus 2 plus 2 into 0. Again the value will be minus 2 since anything into 0 is always 0. So again the fourth term is A plus 3D, it is minus 2 plus 2 into 0. So again the result is minus 2. So therefore the AP, the 4 terms of AP will be minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 and minus 2. Now coming to the third part of the question 2, where A value is equal to 4 and D is given as minus 3. So let us write down the general form of AP. The first 4 terms, that is A is the first term, A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D. So A value is already given, that is 4 and D is minus 3. So let us substitute this value. The first term is A is 4, then the second term A2 So this is the first term a1, this is a2, this is a3 and a4. So a2 is equal to a plus d, where a value is 4 and d value is minus 3. So it is 1. Coming to our third term a3, it is a plus 2d. Simplifying, a value is 4 plus 2 into d value is minus 3. So we get 4 minus 3 2s are 6. So the result is minus 2. Then a4 is a plus 3d. So a value is 4 plus 3 into d is again minus 3. So 4 minus 3 3s are 9. So 4 minus 9 is minus 5. Therefore the first 4 terms of AP are, the first term is 4, second term is 1, third term is minus 2 and fourth term is minus 5. So let us solve the fourth part of the question number 2, that is a value is minus 1 and d is 1 by 2. Let's write down the general form of AP, that will be a comma a plus d, a plus 2d and a plus 3d. So the first term a we already know, that is minus 1 given in the question. So let us write down the second, third and fourth term. So a2 is equal to a plus d, that is minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So find out the LCM. So 2 is the LCM, so minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1 by 2. So a3 term will be a plus 2d, that is minus 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2. So it will be minus 1 plus 2 and 2 gets cancelled, so again it is plus 1. So minus 1 and plus 1 is 0. So the fourth term a4 is a plus 3d. Substituting the value minus 1 plus 3 into 1 by 2, that will be minus 1 plus 3 by 2. So finding out the LCM, 2 is the LCM, so minus 2 plus 3, so it will be 1 by 2. So this is the fourth term. So let us write down the first 4 terms which we obtained. The first term is minus 1, second term is minus 1 by 2, third term is 0 and the fourth term is 1 by 2. Now let us solve the fifth part of the question, where a value given is minus 1.25 and the d value given is minus 0.25. So let us write down first the general form of AP is a comma a plus d, a plus 2d and a plus 3d. We have to determine the first 4 terms of the AP given the common difference and the first term. So the first term a value is minus 1.25. So the second term a2 will be a plus d, that is a value is minus 1.25 and d value is minus 0.25. So adding these two, 5 plus 5 is 10, carry 1, so 2 plus 2 is 4 and 5, then the point comes, then 1 plus 0 is 1, so minus 1.5 is the result. So a3 is a plus 2d, so a value is minus 1.25 plus 2 into minus 0.25. So let us multiply first minus 0.25 into 2. 5 2s are 10, carry 1, 2 2s are 4, 5, 2 zeros are 0. After 2 digits we have to add the decimal place, that's point, and the minus comes here automatically. So this will be minus 1.25 and minus 0.5. Okay, so we have to add these two values since it has minus sign. So 5, 2 plus 5 is 7.1, so it is minus 1.75. So the result is minus 1.75. Now coming to the fourth term, it is a plus 3d, So a value is again minus 1.25 plus 3 into minus 0.25. So let us multiply minus 0.25 into 3 first. So 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 3 2s are 6, 7.0. After 2 digits the decimal point is added and a minus sign is also added. So the result you get here is minus 1.25 and minus 0.75. So let us add these two values. So minus 0.75 and minus 1.25. If we add them, you get carry 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, again carry 1, so it is 2. So the result is minus 2. Okay, so let us write down the first 4 terms which we obtained for an AP. So the AP is, the first term is minus 1.25, second term is minus 1.5, third term is minus 1.75, and the fourth term is minus 2 or 2.0. With this we have completed the question number 2 from exercise 1.1.